Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Neha Bhatia and today I am going to discuss on how to do multiplication with the help of Vedic mathematics techniques. Multiplication is the product of two or more numbers and it is considered as the difficult operation out of the four operations. So, we are going to adopt the Vedic mathematic techniques to perform multiplication. There are two types of techniques in Vedic mathematics. One is general technique and second is special or the specific technique. When we talk about general technique, it applies to almost all numbers. And when we talk about special or specific technique, it applies only to special cases. Let us start with the multiplication operation, and the first technique that I am going to discuss is the base multiplication technique. So, and the sutra that we are going to use is the Nikhilam Sutra, which means all from 9 and last from 10. Here the base is all powers of 10, that is 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Here we are going to consider the number which are closer to the base. And one more thing is that the number will be either less than the base or greater than the base. So, the difference between the number and base is called deviation, which can be positive or negative. Let us see this with the help of an example. We have number, say 7. So, the base is 10 because 10 is closer to 10. So, deviation is -3. Let us take another example, say 13. Again it is closer to 10. So, deviation is +3. If we have 89, the base which is closer to 89 is 100 and so the deviation is -11 and so on. So, here for calculating the deviation we are using the sutra all from 9 and last from 10. So, let us see how we are going to perform base multiplication. Firstly, I am going to consider three cases which are case 1 when numbers are less than base, second case when numbers are more than base, case third when one number is more than base and other number is less than base. So, let us see these cases one by one. So, case 1 when numbers are less than base. Let's say we have to multiply 8 into 9. Here if we see that the base is 10, as both the numbers are closer to 10 and they are less than 10. 8 is less than 10 by 2. 9 is less than 10 by minus 1. So, this is deviation 1, this is deviation 2. This is number 1, n1, which we are denoting by n1, and 9 we are denoting by n2. Now, the answer will be comprising of two parts, the left part and the right part. For the right part, we are going to multiply the deviations. So, this will become minus 2 into minus 1, which is plus 2. And for the left part, we are going to add the numbers vertically crosswise. That is 8 minus 1 or 9 minus 2. The thing that we have to observe is that either we add 8 minus 1 or we add 9 minus 2, answer will be same. And the final answer will be the combination of left part and the right part. And so the answer is 72. Let us take another example where the base is 100. Let's say 98 into 96. Here the base is 100, as both the numbers are closer to 100. 98 is short of 2 from 100 and 96 is short of 4 from 100. So, this is D1, minus 2 is D1, minus 4 is D2. We are going to divide our answer in two parts. For right part, minus 2 into minus 4 is 8. And for the left part, either add 98 minus 4 or add 96 minus 2. This is 94. One more thing to notice is that here the base is 100. So, the number of digits after 1, basically the number of zeros after 1 are 2. So, we are going to write 8 as 08. So, now the final answer is 9408. Let us consider, say, 9999 into 9996. Here we can see that base is 10,000. Remember, the number of zeros here are 4. Okay. Now, 9999 is 1 less than 10,000 and 9996 is 4 less than 10,000. Minus 1 is deviation 1 and minus 4 is deviation 2. We are going to divide the answer again in two parts, the left part and the right part. Right part is the multiplication or the product of deviations, which is minus 1 into minus 4, which is plus 4. And for the left part, we are going to add the numbers crosswise, that is 9999 minus 4 or 9996 minus 1, and in both the cases we are getting 9995. Now here we observe that number of the digits after 1 here are 4 in base. So 4 will become 0004. So final answer is 9995004. Okay. So now let us consider the case where the numbers are greater than the base. Case 2, numbers are greater than the base Let us start with one digit number, say 12 into 13. Basically a two digit number where the base will be 10. Okay. Now 12 is 2 more than 10 and 13 is 3 more than 10. This is 2 is deviation 1 and 3 is deviation 2. We are going to divide our answer into two parts, left part and right part. For the right part, we know that it is the product of the deviations. So 2 into 3 is 6, and for the left part, we are going to add the numbers crosswise, that is 12 plus 3 or 13 plus 2 will give me 15. And by combining the left part and the right part, I am going to get the final answer, which is 156. So 12 into 13 is 156. Let us consider another example with base as 100. Say 103 into 104. So here base is 100. 103 is 3 more than 100 and 104 is 4 more than 100. Plus 3 is deviation 1 and plus 2 is deviation 2. 3 into 4 is 12. And for the left part, we have to add the numbers crosswise, 103 plus 4 or 104 plus 3, we are getting 107. So the final answer is 10712. Let us consider the numbers with base 1000. Say 1001 into 1006. Here the base is 1000. Now 1001 is 1 more than 1000 and 1006 is 6 more than 1000. So 1 is D1 deviation 1 and 6 is deviation 2. We are going to write our answer into two parts. The right side is D1 into D1, D1 into D2, sorry, which is 1 into 6 and answer is 6. For the left part, we are going to add the numbers crosswise, 1001 plus 6 or 1006 plus 1 and answer is 1007. Now here, since the number of digits after 1 are 3, so we are going to write 6 here as 006. So the final answer is 1007,006. Let us take another example where the base is 10,000. Let's say 100, say 8 and 10002. Here the base is 10,000. Now 10008 is 8 more than 10,000, which is deviation 1, and 10002 is 2 more than 10,000, which is deviation 2. We are going to write our answer in two parts. The right side is the product of the deviation, which is 8 into 2, 16. And for the left part, we are going to add the numbers crosswise. That is 10008 plus 2 or 10002 plus 8. We are getting 10010. Now, since the number of zeros in the base, which is 10,000, are 4, so 16 will be written as 0016. So the final answer is the combination of left part and right part, which is 100100016. So in this manner, we can find the product of numbers which are greater than the base. Next comes the case where one number is greater than the base and other number is less than the base. Case 3, when one number is greater than base and other number is less than base. Let us take an example, say 8 into 12. Here the base is 10 as both the numbers are closer to 10. 8 is less than 10 and 12 is greater than 10. So it falls under the case 3, and we see that 8 is 2 less than 10 and 12 is 2 more than 10. Here minus 2 is deviation 1 and plus 2 is deviation 2. So we are going to divide our answer in two parts, left part and the right part. The right part is the product of the deviations, that is d1 into d2, which is minus 2 into plus 2, which is minus 4. For the left part, we have to add the numbers crosswise, that is 8 plus 2 or 12 minus 2. The answer is same, which is 10. So now if we see, the answer is coming out to be 10 minus 4. Now we have to get rid of this minus sign. So what are we going to do is, we are going to write the complement of 4. Complement of 4 is what number should be added to 4 so that it becomes 10. So, and we know that 10 minus 4 is 6. So, this will become, minus 4 will become 6, and since for writing the complement we are borrowing one number from the left, so this will become 96 because we are borrowing one number. So this will become 10 minus 4, which is 6. This is the right part, and 10 minus 1 will become 9. So the answer is 96. 6. Let us take another example. Say 98 into 103. Here the base is 100. 98 and 103 are closer to 100. 98 is 2 less than 100 and 103 is 3 more than 100. Minus 2 is D1 plus 3 is D2. We are going to divide the answer in two parts. This is right part. For right part, we have to take the product of the deviations, which is minus 2 into 3, which is minus 6. And for the left part, we have to add the numbers crosswise, which is 98 plus 3 or 103 minus 2, which is 101. So, the answer is looking like this. Now, we have to get this minus sign removed. So, we are going to write the complement of 6, but remember here the base is 100. So, what are we going to do is we are going to borrow 1 from here. So, this will become 100 minus 6, which is 94, and this will become 100 because we have borrowed 1 for the right part. So, the final answer will be 10094. Okay. Let us consider now the problem with base 1000. Let us take the numbers, say 996 into 1004. Okay. Now, here the base is 1000. Okay. Both the numbers are closer to 1000. 996 is 4 less than 1000 and 1004 is 4 more than 1000. Remember, these signs are very important. So, minus 4 here is deviation 1 and plus 4 here is deviation 2. We are going to divide our answer into two parts, the left part and the right part. The right part is the product of the deviations D1 and D2. So, the answer is minus 4 into 4 minus 16. And for the left part, we are going to add the numbers crosswise, which is 996 plus 4 or 1004 minus 4, and the answer is 1000. Okay. So, now the picture looks like 1000 minus 16. Now, we have to write the complement of 16 with base as 1000 because we have to remove the minus sign. So, we are going to borrow 1 from here and this will become 999 and this will become 1000 minus 16, which is, again we can apply the Nicklam Sutra, which is all from 9 and last from 10. So, the answer is, final answer is 999,984. So, in this manner we can multiply any two numbers which are closer to the base. One is bigger than the base and other is smaller than the base.